Hi guys, today I will show you a little bit of my job as a textile designer. I like to create my different motifs using watercolor. For this technique, you can plan out your drawing and use a very light pencil to trace it on the watercolor paper. Then, you're gonna paint with the water, just water, and add the paint on top of the water and let the paint flow in a very organic way to create different shades. This technique is ideal for creating abstract paintings where you just want the water to flow and to create organic shapes and to allow the watercolor to do its magic. Once you're happy with your design, you can go ahead and scan it into your computer. As my everyday job as a textile designer, I use Photoshop and NedGraphics. I use Photoshop for cleaning, adjusting the brightness and contrast, and getting rid of all the little details that are not supposed to be there. and your image is good to go as a digital image, and you can use it for different things, or you can just print it out, use other programs that you like. In my case, I will be using NedGraphics for the next step. This is NedGraphics. NedGraphics, it's a software for textile designers that it has all the tools to put a print into a seamless repeat, to clean it, to create different colorways, and basically to create the print ready for production. There is a lot of cleaning going on. We want to clean all the pixels that are mixing together. We don't want two colors that don't belong together in the same family mixing, because once it goes into production, those two colors are going to create a new color. As a textile designer, we want to make sure the print it's ready for production and it's ready to send over to the mill, meaning that it has to be in a perfect repeat, specific repeat boundaries, a specific amount of screens. It depends on the limitations of the mill. The textile mills will be cutting the design into screens, and the screens will be used for printing on top of the fabric. So basically each color, it's a screen that they have to cut and print on top of the fabric. I hope this video will give you an idea of the amount of work and steps that goes into creating a print and to put it on a beautiful garment. Thanks for watching, and keep creating beautiful things.